Okay, I'm Michelle Carley, and I'm going to show you how to use the 2013 Big E-Z Bookkeeping System. It's a cash basis system. It requires Microsoft Excel 2003 or newer. It's available only at our website, bigez.com. I'm here on the settings page, and this is where you can make changes to the business name that would show up on your reports. You can click into any of these periods to get in between the months. Your summary reports are located behind this button. You can change to a European date format here. I'm going to use the Control-Shift-B to set up these business categories within the forms by holding down the Control-Shift and B button. Now all of these categories are listed on the checks, as you'll see here. Let's go back to settings, and here's where you have some shortcut keys to help you speed up your data entry, and it tells you here how to back up your file. You actually enter your data on these first three tabs each month: your deposits, checks, and cash and charges. Here's where you can reconcile with the checkbook, and then these are all reports along with your reports that are on the summary tab. I'll show you that I've already set up the account balance tracker with our checkbook balance, and we started with $100 cash on hand, and all of these different assets and liabilities I've already put in here. You can see that the balance sheet is in balance. Now let's head over to the deposits, and let's say we sold a widget for $500 and we were paid with a check. Now let's say we had collected $100 for a piece of furniture that we sold. Let's put $100 over here under other deposits, and let's say that that was a cash deposit, a cash sale, or income I should say. Let's put a C here to show that it was cash, and you can see it did not get into the checkbook. I'm going to click over to checks, and let's put in a check for our monthly rent here for $300, and let's say we paid for dues for $30, and you can see our checkbook beginning balance is here. This is the deposit we just made for $530. Now our checkbook balance is $1750. Let's click over to account balance tracker, and you'll see $1750.62 is our checkbook balance. We've added $100 that we had of a cash sale, so now we have $200 cash on hand. If I scroll down, you'll see that we're showing a profit figure of $170, and you can see that also on the income and expenses. You'll see that we have a profit figure of $170, and here on the income and expenses you'll also see these at-a-glance sections. This would tell you what your sales were versus less your cost of sales in this area. Here's the sales tax that you collected. Let's go over to the cash and charges now and record some items in that area. Let's say you used your credit card to buy some office supplies, and let's put that under here. And let's say you went to the post office and you used cash. You're going to put a C here, and you're going to put the amount over under postage for $15, and you'll see that your cash amount now is showing under cash decreases to cash. Now, all of these little red flags have instructions behind them, and you also have a show help button here. If you want to set up these first 10 rows, we'll repeat on all 12 months, and if you don't want to use that feature, you can just hide that. Let me show you how to reconcile the checkbook real quick. You can see I put in an ending bank balance of $1,780.62, and here you have a couple of outstanding items. 530 on deposits. Let's click on deposits and show that check that you deposited cleared, and let's show your check that you wrote for $300 cleared with a little X there. And now we'll go back to the bank reconciliation, and you'll see that there are no outstanding deposits and just the $30 check is outstanding. You're in balance. And let me show you the charts down here. There's actual versus budgeted for income and for expenses. Now let's head back over to the settings and click on summary, and I'll show you the summary reports. You've got the budget calculator is here, and this is where you can change a budgeted amount for your month. It's from 40 to 50, let's say. Now every month has been changed to 50. That's the budget calculator. You've also got year-to-date deposits here. You've got year-to-date checks here. You can see January through December. And this is the most important report. It's called the year-to-date income statement. And once you have completed an entire year, this year-to-date actual amount will be accurate, and it'll be reconciled, and this is what you would put on your tax return, the totals from your year-to-date income statement. And the Big E-Z system comes with 12 months of support. It comes with a CD in case you need to reinstall the software, and it also comes with a receipt organizer so that you can keep track of the receipts that go along with all the expenses here. We also include with our purchase a 30-minute a free remote desktop session that we can help you set up your system, or it could just be a phone consultation for 30 minutes. And that is it. Thank you for watching.